Once you've created the video of yourself doing anything for the tutorial, now let's move on to step number 2, and that's to take a snapshot from the video. Now you could use any editing software like Premiere Pro, Filmora, or CapCut, but as we are keeping it completely free, we're going to use an online tool called vidmix.app. So let's go to the laptop and let's see how it goes. So to hit vidmix.app, you're gonna select Google Chrome and then search for vidmix.app and then hit enter. Once you've done that, this will automatically open up. So first of all, you need to open the video that you just saw. For me, I'm gonna select the video and come back. As you see, once I've showed the video, I could still export the video as an image, so select export, but select PNG still and then hit OK. Once you've hit OK, as you see in here, the image will be downloaded to your PC.